What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super fun video on deck. And to be honest, it has actually nothing to do with training for this Ironman. Of all things, believe it or not, we're taking an ice bath today. But we're gonna be joined by a special guest, a player from the Winnipeg Jets, and I can't tell you who it is just yet. We're headed to a secret location to film this video, and if you stick around, you'll find out soon. But first, let's go get this car washed. All right, bit of an update here. We have a little bit of a backlog at the car wash line. Not ideal, because it's gonna take about 25 minutes to get to the location where we're shooting, and I've gotta be there in about 40 minutes. So we've got about 15 minutes to get through this line. We're rolling the dice, but fingers crossed, I think we can make it. All right, update. Surprisingly, that line went way quicker than I thought it would. So we're just wrapping up with the car wash here. Gotta have a fresh car when you show up to the shoot location. And we'll head over there. Should be there right on time. And see you guys there. This has got like 100 days of plunging in it. This one has about 700 days of plunging in it. And you can kind of tell because, come here for a sec. Last winter, we've put a couple holes in this thing, throwing dumbbells and sledgehammering the hell out of it. So I'll take that one. They have a longer one? Okay, amazing, thank you. The problem is the hose is not long enough. And so, as fun as it would be to try to shoot this thing into the tubs from here, it's just, it's not gonna happen today, so they gotta bring a new one. We have found a longer hose, Dave. We have found a longer hose. Not a whole lot of pressure coming out of here. Oh, there we go. We got something. And then, yeah, I can just unscrew from there and then plug that end into my pump, let it drain into the drain that's right here. Okay, thank you. 7 degrees. We haven't even added ice yet. Yikes. Good morning, guys. It's day 850 of taking an ice bath every single day, and I'm literally on a sheet of ice right now, and that's because we have a very special guest joining us, none other than veteran defenseman of the Winnipeg Jets, Mr. Dylan DeMello.
Hey guys, how's it going?
You ready to do this, brother?
Ready to do it?
Let's do it. Oh.
Cup check.
You ready to do this?
Ready to do it.
This is like, I mean, you seem like way more eager.
Yeah, I think it's one of those things. Like I think this is like life. Like you can't dip your toe in.
I like that.
You just got to jump right in.
I just let the nervous energy build until
That's
I'm
fair.
like,
yeah.
But yeah, you know what? We might as well do it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Woo.
Okay. Woo. This is either...
Are the mics good? Because this is not doing another take.
This is either the dumbest or the most genius way to have a conversation. But I guess we'll find out soon enough. You've said recently that becoming a father has changed your perspective a little bit.
Yeah.
And I'm curious, every time you step onto the ice, Are you playing with maybe a different sense of purpose or even peace, knowing who's waiting for you when you get home?
Yeah, I think as you get older, you kind of sweat the small things, or you don't sweat the small things as much, you know? And that's kind of just time in the league and learning things and being a father, and, you know, kind of all that into one is you just try to live in the moment and try to be present. And that's the biggest thing is, you know, we get so consumed with things that are out of our control, things in the past, things in the future. And sometimes you miss just the moments, you know, as a kid or as, you know, a father with your kids. Like, you know, you don't want to miss their words they're saying, or kind of they're crawling on 4 now, or any of those small things, right? So for me, you know, it hasn't always been like that. Something I've kind of worked on, and just make sure that I stay in the moment, stay present. So kids have definitely helped that, but also time in the league has helped that, and my support system has also helped that as well.
I want to change gears a little bit. You guys have clinched a playoff spot. The whiteout is coming back to Winnipeg. And I've been in those buildings during a playoff push, and it is electric. I'm sure that comes with a little bit of added pressure. And I'm just wondering if you've been able to kind of find a way to separate effort from results in those situations. Mm-hmm. And if you can maybe apply some of those lessons to life outside the rink.
Yeah, it's a great question. I think, you know, our business is very result-based. Like, you got to win, you got to perform. It's easy to lose the thought of the process and everything that kind of builds into it. And sometimes that's the best part of it, is the ride and you know, the battles with the guys and just those moments. Because you don't know if you're going to win or lose at the end of the day. All you can really control, and kind of like your first question, is control you can control. So it's that preparation, it's that work in practice, it's that work in the summer, it's the bonding on the plane, it's bonding when you're out at restaurants. You know, we do feel the pressure obviously at times to win. We want to win. Everybody wants to win. You only get to play for a small amount of time. We want to win for this city. We think winning here would be something that would be really unique across all the sports. Be a big kind of, you know, F you to the rest of the world that thinks Winnipeg can't do it, you know? So for us, there's that drive there. There's drive individually to be the best you can be, and as a group collectively. But you know, we think if you can kind of take care of the process and do all the right things, that the results will take care of themselves.
I love that. You were a 6th round draft pick. I'm sure not many people thought you'd ever play 600 plus games in the NHL. Just thinking back, you know, I'm sure not many people really understand the grind, the setbacks, and the self-doubt that I'm sure comes with being in the position you are today. Yeah. What would you say to your younger self, or any kid for that matter, who feels like the odds are stacked against them and questions if their dreams are even possible?
Yeah, no, great question. And it's, you know, I hate to kind of piggyback on previous answers, but it's really control what you can control. I had some, I'm not gonna say dark times. I was very fortunate to, you know, be playing in the NHL, but there was times when I was in San Jose earlier in my career and I was healthy scratch a lot, and I'm like, man, is my opportunity kind of leaving me? And I was able to talk to some people, you know, some sports psychs and support system, and lean on them, and you know, just kind of control you can control, work hard every day, be thankful for what you have, and you know, usually things kind of end up well in the end. But there's some tough times, and the resiliency, staying with it. Life isn't going to be you know, a straight trajectory, right? It's up and down, and staying even keel when things are going great. You know, don't plan the parade. When things are going well, don't make it worse. Just kind of stay even keel and stay in the moment. Stay in the moment and enjoy the ride, because it all goes by fast. And each step has its own lessons that you can carry on, and not just sports, just life in general. So
love that.
Yeah.
Well, I think time's up, but the tradition around here is you got to dunk your head before you get out.
I can do that.
You game for that?
I mean, every part of me is cold, so I might as well get that.
I'm jackhammering in here.
Might as well get that head cold too. All right,
let's do it.
on 3.
3, 2, 1. See you guys tomorrow. Woo! Oh. That sucks.
Thanks, man.
Dude, that was awesome.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Woo! All right, guys, that is a wrap on filming an ice bath with veteran defenseman Dylan DeMello from the Winnipeg Jets. As you can see, my teeth are chattering. I am freezing. I'll be hitting the showers, and I'll see you guys in the next one.